Hi people, I'm sewing masks for America. See that? So this is why I'm not cooking right now. So the Tater Cowgirl cooking rodeo is interrupted until further notice. I just wanted to show you my prototype. So I have all these fabric here. And what I do is I sew these fabrics 9 by 6 inches. And I have on the top I put wire in for the nose because it's really really important that you have that you can tighten it on the nose in order for it to work. I found that it's kind of a garden wire, you know, flower wire in my utility box, so I use that. I use this kind of elastic for the ears. And I show you, I'm going to put it on. Oops, I don't need, oops. You can put it on the nose. And it sits really tight, looks good. I pleated it, two fabrics inside different color so that the user knows what's in and outside. And what I also did, I left a little slid so you can put either a paper face, a one-use paper face mask in there and make it even more secure, or even a paper towel, you know, if you want to. And those will be washed, disinfected, and put in a Ziploc bag, and then I give it away to people who need them. I hope you like it, and see you hopefully soon for another cooking rodeo with the Tater Cowgirls. Bye, and stay healthy. One more thing, when you sew these face masks, do not use these pins because you don't want to poke holes in the masks, you know, you don't want to have holes in your masks. Use the clothespins or clips, you know, from the office or whatever you have, but don't use these needles to poke holes in your masks. Okay? This is my mask, I will wash it now, but it fits pretty good. Nose wire fits perfect. All right. Bye.